Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have this look right here. It's a really pretty brown smoky cat eye and I'm loving this technique. It looks so pretty and I did this technique a really long time ago, basically when I just started my channel, and I watched that video back to see kind of how I did it. Oh my god, I could not watch myself. I kept forwarding because it was so cringy and I don't know how people were subscribing to me back in the day. I have come such a long way. It's so crazy to see how I was and how I acted and how I did makeup and how much I've actually improved over time. It was crazy. I'm not even going to link that video down below because I don't even want you guys to see it. It was just that cringy. So today I'm going to be doing this look using the BH Ultimate Neutrals eyeshadow palette, and let me open it up. This is the palette right here. Look at that. That is Neutral Dreams, every shade of neutral that you could ever wish for. And I love BH palettes because they're actually really good and so inexpensive. So I'm excited to be doing this tutorial using this palette. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals Shadow Palette. I'm first picking up this light peachy shadow. With my Sigma E40 taper blending brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. This is just going to help the other shadows be more blendable. Now picking up this deep orange shadow, I'm switching over to my Sigma E38 diffused crease brush, and what I'm doing is I'm placing this brush right between where my crease and my lid meet and my crease folds over, and I'm going to avoid this outer corner as much as I can. I am going to blend that out over there just when I have barely anything left on the brush. And then I'm just going to go back and forth and blend that out. And it's okay if it gets onto your lid. You kind of want it to get onto your lid. And now I'm going to start blending it higher and towards this outer corner. Now to create this smoky eye, I'm picking up this dark brown. Now with my Sigma E68 Line Perfector brush, I'm going to start creating the wing. So what I'm going to do is stamp it kind of starting on the outer corner and then start dragging that back on itself and making sure to stop that wing kind of where I see that my crease folds onto my lid. Now I'm picking up that same shadow on my Sigma E54 medium super brush, and I'm going to start packing this onto my lid, and I'm going to get this really dark and opaque. And I'm keeping this shadow just on my lid for now. I love this brush because it's stiff enough to pack on shadow, but it's also kind of soft enough at the tip to blend. So I'm going to start blending that brown into this orange really lightly using a really light hand. Just going back and forth kind of in like short strokes. I don't want the shadow to go too high, but I want it to still look blended and have that definition through the crease. And I'm avoiding this outer corner, but I am going to kind of blend just a little bit because I want this wing to fade into this smoky eye. And I will go back and kind of define that and clean that wing up. And now I'm going to pick up this brush, which is the Sigma E44 Firm Blender, and you can see that the tip is tapered, so this is going to be perfect to place this right into that crease and keep that shadow just in the crease. So I'm just picking up a little bit more of that brown and applying that really close to my lid, and then wiping off the brush to remove any of that excess, and then start blending that out. And then you can blend that kind of like go like that and taper that into that wing. Then going back into that orange shade and my Sigma E38 diffused crease brush, I'm applying this directly over that brown to make sure that that orange is kind of brought back and blends everything out. Again, you can kind of go over that wing just a little bit, just so it blends out nicely and fades into this wing. And then picking up that brown shadow on my E68 Line Perfector brush by Sigma, I'm going to start perfecting that wing and adding that shadow in there and feathering that inward. I'm picking up this metallic copper. So I picked this shadow up my Sigma E20 short shader brush, and I'm spritzing this with a Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist, and that's just going to make it extra metallic and really opaque and intense. So I'm applying this on my lower lash line, and then I'm stopping it right kind of about here, because I am going to be applying a lighter shade in the inner corner. I'm now picking up this metallic light copper. I picked up the shadow on my Sigma EO6 wing liner brush, and I spritzed the brush again. And I'm going to create kind of a inner wing and bring that down. So first, starting on this inner corner, I'm going to create kind of a triangle on this inner corner, and then blend that shadow into this copper shade. I'm now just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be using these Esquito lashes in Big City Nights, and that's the eye look done. So moving on to my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Quartzette. Looks like a really pretty shade. It looks so interesting. It's like a dark nude with a really pretty coppery kind of peachy reflect and sheen to it, and it's metallic, so I'm excited to see how this looks, and I feel like it's going to look really good with this look. And that is it. This is the completed look of my brown smoky cat eye using the BH Ultimate Neutrals shadow palette. I hope you guys enjoyed. This palette is actually so good. I'm so impressed with it. The metallics are pretty good. They're not like insane though. I feel like I've seen better metallic shades, but I mean when you swatch them they're super pigmented. But the mattes are so pigmented. Honestly, you have to tap your brush in there so lightly because of how pigmented they are. And I'm really impressed and really like it. And for it to be so inexpensive, that makes it even better. So I love how this look turned out. I love that technique of keeping it really smoky on the lid and on the crease and then making that wing. It just really transforms the whole look and I'm loving it. And you could definitely create this look using so many different shades. You can do black, you can do green, blue, purple, any shade that you want. And this technique would definitely work with that. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today along with brushes will be linked down below, and that should be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!